Today we installed a mirrored shoe cabinet. First, nail 10 plastic circular parts and 10 cylindrical parts onto the side panels of the shoe cabinet. First step completed. The second part uses crossbeams to connect the two side panels. This step involves assembling a total of 5 narrow crossbeam plates. The third step is to install the top plate and the partition plate connecting the side plates of the upper and lower layers. It should be noted that there are a total of 8 screws on the front and back of the middle side panel that need to be installed. The final step in assembling the cabinet frame is to tighten the 3-in-1 circular snap fasteners. Step 4. Let's assemble the shoe cabinet drawers. Note that the panel numbers used here are 9, 10, and 12. Do not assemble the panel with the number 11 in the middle for now. There are 5 drawers in total. Assemble them all. The final step is to assemble the drawer onto the cabinet body. The installation technique here is to place the iron screws into the plastic parts and nail them onto the side panels together. The 11th board is assembled last, because if you assemble it in advance, your large hand will not be able to assemble the previous step. Okay, installation complete.